My colleague and I have just ended with a long meeting. I say to my colleague, Sarah, the meeting was too tiring. We'll connect after half an hour. Did I say anything wrong here? Hi, I'm Kriti. In this video, we are going to see the few elements of successful communication. If you need subtitles, I've added them for you. You may turn them on. So, let's get started. The people and the message are the cores of communication. You have delivered your message, but has the listener also interpreted it the same way you intended? How is the listener interpreting your message also depends upon how the message is being constructed or formed. For example, the tone of the message and the words used. In the example where I told my colleague that we would connect after half an hour, I could have said something better. Unless, at least, I'm not the manager of that person. My intentions were right to take a break, but the listener might have thought of me being bossy as I didn't ask for my colleague's choice. The colleague might have felt that I'm not considering her comfort. So, what to do now? Let's reframe the message. Before reframing the message, we should keep in mind a few points. We have to make sure we sound polite and empathetic enough. We have to ensure that we don't come across as bossy or autocratic. So, I could have said something like this to my colleague: Sarah, the meeting was too tiring. I suggest we should take a half an hour break. What do you say? Here, we are using the word suggest and also asking about a colleague's opinion. It sounds polite, empathetic, and also not bossy. Fair enough, huh? Let's now look at the mental filters. From mental filters, I mean the perceptions through which we may process the information. We may have our mental filters or a way to understand things. So, let's make sure to construct a message by keeping in mind how a listener might interpret it. Let us try not to leave a space for miscommunication. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button. Keep spreading the knowledge among your friends and family members. Let me know in the comments section about your feedback or questions. I'd love to see them. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye. See you in the next lesson.